Want bigger, stronger legs without wasting hours in the gym? Building powerful legs requires more than simply lifting heavy weights. The right exercises can target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while improving strength and stability. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 proven exercises that can transform your legs effectively. Number 1. Barbell squats. If your goal is to build bigger, stronger legs, the barbell squat should be one of the first exercises in your training program. Squats are often considered one of the most effective compound movements because they work several major muscle groups at the same time, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core. To perform a barbell squat, stand with your feet approximately shoulder-width apart and position the bar securely across your upper back. Keep your chest lifted, tighten your core, and slowly bend your knees while pushing your hips backward. Lower your body until your thighs are approximately parallel to the floor, or as far as you can comfortably go while maintaining good form. Then drive through your feet and return to the starting position. The key is controlled movement. Avoid rushing through repetitions or allowing your knees to collapse inward. Choose a weight that allows you to maintain proper technique throughout the entire set. For muscle growth, try performing around 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 12 controlled repetitions. Rest adequately between sets so your muscles can recover enough to perform each set effectively. If you are new to squats, begin with your body weight or a light resistance and gradually increase the load as your technique improves. Remember, heavier is not always better. Proper form, consistent training, progressive resistance, and adequate recovery are what ultimately help your legs become bigger and stronger. Number 2. Romanian deadlifts. The Romanian deadlift is an excellent exercise for developing the posterior chain, particularly the hamstrings and glutes. While many people focus heavily on exercises that target the front of their legs, building balanced and powerful legs also requires strengthening the muscles on the back of your thighs. Start by standing tall while holding a barbell or dumbbells in front of your thighs. Keep your feet about hip-width apart, your chest comfortably lifted, and your core engaged. From this position, push your hips backward while keeping a slight bend in your knees. Lower the weight slowly along the front of your legs. You should feel a controlled stretch developing through your hamstrings. You do not need to lower the weight all the way to the floor. Go only as low as you can while maintaining a neutral spine and proper control. Once you reach your comfortable range of motion, drive your hips forward and squeeze your glutes as you return to the standing position. One of the biggest mistakes people make is turning this movement into a squat. The primary movement should come from your hips moving backward and forward, not from excessive knee bending. Try 3 to 4 sets of approximately 8 to 12 repetitions. Use a manageable weight and focus on feeling the muscles working rather than simply moving the heaviest possible load. Romanian deadlifts can be especially valuable for creating stronger hamstrings and glutes while improving overall lower body strength. Combined with squats and other leg exercises, they can help you develop a more balanced and muscular lower body. Number 3. Bulgarian split squats. Bulgarian split squats are one of the most challenging lower body exercises, but they can be extremely effective for building muscular and balanced legs. This single leg movement places significant emphasis on the quadriceps and glutes while also challenging your balance and stability. To begin, stand a short distance in front of a bench or stable elevated surface. Place one foot behind you on the bench while keeping your other foot firmly planted on the floor. Maintain an upright torso and engage your core. Slowly bend the front knee and lower your body toward the floor. Your front leg should perform most of the work. Descend under control until you reach a comfortable depth, then push through the front foot to return to the starting position. Perform all repetitions on one side before switching legs or alternate sides depending on your training style. Because this exercise is performed one leg at a time, it can help identify and address strength differences between your legs. It also demands significant stability, so begin with body weight if you are unfamiliar with the movement. Once your technique becomes comfortable, you can hold dumbbells at your sides to increase resistance. Aim for approximately 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions per leg. Keep the movement controlled and avoid bouncing at the bottom. If you struggle with balance, use a nearby support for stability rather than sacrificing your form. Bulgarian split squats are difficult, but that difficulty is exactly what makes them valuable. When performed consistently with proper technique, they can contribute to stronger quads, glutes, and overall lower body development. Number 4. Leg press. The leg press is another excellent exercise for building lower body muscle while allowing you to focus on pushing through your legs without needing to stabilize a barbell across your back. Begin by sitting securely in the leg press machine and positioning your feet approximately shoulder width apart on the platform. Keep your back and hips firmly against the seat. Before beginning, make sure the machine is properly adjusted and that you understand how its safety mechanism works. Release the safety handles and slowly lower the platform by bending your knees. Keep the movement controlled and avoid allowing your lower back or hips to lift away from the seat. Lower the weight only as far as you can maintain a comfortable and stable position. Then push through your feet and extend your legs, stopping short of aggressively locking your knees. The leg press can place substantial stress on the quadriceps, while the glutes and hamstrings also contribute to the movement. Foot position can influence which muscles receive more emphasis, but your primary priority should always be a stable, comfortable position and controlled technique. For muscle building training, try around 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 repetitions. Choose a resistance that challenges you while still allowing you to maintain proper form. Avoid the common mistake of loading the machine with excessive weight simply because the exercise feels easier than a barbell squat. Too much weight can compromise your technique and increase unnecessary stress on your joints. Use the leg press as a controlled muscle building exercise rather than a test of how much weight you can move. Number 5. Standing calf raises. Building bigger legs is not only about developing your thighs. Well-developed calves can make your entire lower body look stronger, more athletic, and proportionate. Standing calf raises are a simple but effective exercise for targeting the calf muscles. Begin by standing with your feet approximately hip-width apart. You can perform the exercise using your body weight, dumbbells, or a calf raise machine. Keep your posture upright and your core engaged. Slowly raise your heels from the floor while pushing through the balls of your feet. At the top of the movement, pause briefly and contract your calf muscles. Then lower your heels slowly until you reach a comfortable stretch. The lowering portion is particularly important. Avoid dropping your heels quickly because controlled repetitions can help you maintain better muscle tension and technique. Try performing 3 to 4 sets of approximately 12 to 20 repetitions. Because calf muscles are involved in walking and standing throughout the day, they can sometimes require consistent training and a sufficient range of motion to encourage further development. Avoid bouncing your body up and down. Instead, treat every repetition as a controlled movement. You can also perform single-leg calf raises when you become more experienced. This increases the challenge and allows you to work each calf individually. Remember that bigger legs come from more than one exercise. Combine calf raises with compound movements such as squats, Romanian deadlifts, split squats, and leg presses. Maintain consistent training, eat enough protein and overall nutrition to support muscle growth, sleep adequately, and gradually increase training difficulty over time. With patience and consistency, these 5 exercises can become a strong foundation for building bigger, stronger, and more balanced legs.